Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can sell digital products on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you convert your TikTok account into a business account. If you do that, you will get the feature to add link. You can click on profile, click on edit profile, and over here you can click on website and add the link of your website. Once you add the link of your website, basically the website where you're selling your online digital course is going to be shown on your profile like this, as you guys can see. So if anybody visits my profile, they're going to see a link over here. They can click on it. It's going to take them to the website. So you can add the link of the product which you're selling. Once you do that, just make videos. Make sure it's great video and people watch it, people share it, and they come into your TikTok profile. Once they come into your TikTok profile, they can click on it, go to your website. From there, they buy your product. The main goal is to just make sure people see your videos. If they see your video and they like the product you're selling or trying to sell, they're going to try to buy it, and they can just come click on the link on your profile and buy it. That's how you guys can sell digital products on TikTok. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Until then, have a nice day.